Hello there, my name's Edgar. Core by Premier Software enables the use of automatic pricing and promotional pricing for client discounts. However, which method is best for your business and at what time? Today I'll be highlighting both methods to ensure you use them most effectively. Automatic pricing. As the name implies, automatic pricing makes sure pricing is applied automatically to your items. The first benefit of automatic pricing is that it can be assigned to client card types. These can be set up in Core's Manager application for single-site businesses or Administrator for multi-site businesses, then under Client Card Types. Now, client card types can be assigned to specific clients to separate them into a category of your choosing. For example, you may wish to set up a client card type for key workers, the NHS and/or staff. This will then enable automatic discount on items of your choosing to each client card type. In reception, these categories can then be assigned to each client within their client card. Setting the expiry date will then activate the client's ability for the discount. As automatic pricing is assigned to client card types, that means time bands can also be set up for them. This enables clients to receive discounts during set time periods. For example, you may wish to set pricing for client card types during peak and off-peak periods. In the Client Card Type Site Details tab, you can set the valid dates and times to ensure greater control over when your automatic pricing applies. A key difference between automatic pricing and promotional pricing is that automatic pricing can be assigned to those on specific membership types too. This is simply a case of selecting the membership option from the automatic pricing menu and then setting the discounts. Those on a particular type of membership can then receive that set pricing. Automatic pricing can be assigned to individual items or across all of them in a specific category. For example, you may wish to apply automatic pricing to just treatments rather than any retail items or additional drinks on the site. You can access the automatic pricing section via the Financials menu in Manager or Administrator. Here you can select the client card types on the left, then use the tabs to select the treatments or appointments you would like to apply the discount to. Then it's simply a case of selecting whether you wish to discount each item by percent or a set discount value. The new values can be entered in the discount column for each item or updated across all items via the boxes above. Promotional pricing. Promotional pricing enables you to create discounts for anyone during a set period. One of the key differences of the promotional pricing option is that this is set during a specific date period. This can be useful to set a promotion during the festive season, for example. Setting up new promotional prices can be done under the financial area of Manager or Administrator, then clicking Promotional Pricing. Then it's simply a case of clicking the green plus and setting a start and end date of the new promotion, as well as anything extra such as basing the pricing on existing values. Once set, promotional prices make use of an ID code to help identify it, as well as a brief description of what the discount is, such as 10% off all facials. The applicable items can then be assigned to the discount code. When clients go to pay for facial treatments, staff can then select the discount code using the Reason drop-down menu. This will apply the promotional price to the treatment. The promotional pricing menu also enables a price change option. This is useful for staff to perform a manual override of prices for clients should they ever need to. This will initially be set up like a standard promotional price selection. However, the key differences involve not ticking the promotion box and not selecting an end date. Staff will then be able to use this to override any pricing as needed. The security override tick box also gives greater security with who is allowed to authorize promotional discounts on what items. For example, you may wish to enable price changes but with manager authorization. Tick the security override option to enable this. Automatic pricing does not have such an option. When you set new prices, you can then go through each item and highlight which ones you would like to give a security override, which you may wish to do on higher value items. Now you know the benefits of each pricing method. For more details about Core by Premier Software, you can book a free presentation using the link in the description. Alternatively, you can visit our website at www.premier-core.com, call our sales team on +44 01543 466 580, or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Call by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.